So, the law of conservation of energy, it means that energy cannot be created or destroyed, just changed from one form to another. In real world scenarios like skateboarding, it starts at potential, but then once it moves, it goes to kinetic. For renewable resources like solar and wind, they're naturally replenished over the years. For non-renewables such as coal and oil, it takes years and they're burned for energy, and it can release pollutants. For simple and compound machines, simple machines like levers, pulleys, and inclined planes, they make work easier by changing force or direction. Compound machines, they combine two or more simple machines like a bicycle. These tools, they just reduce the effort and increase the efficiency. For three ways of heat transfers: conduction, touching, convection, movement through fluids, and radiation, like space, sunlight, they work together to like regulate weather, cook food, and keep the earth warm. For heat and temperature relationship, temperature measures how fast particles move. The heat is energy transferred between substances. And so for the Goldberg machine uses physics concepts like gravity, momentum, friction, and energy transfer potential to kinetic. So what are waves? Waves, it's okay, waves, they move energy from one place to another. Wavelength is how long each wave is. Frequency is how a wave passes in 1 second, or how many waves pass in a second. Um, Amplitude is how tall the wave is by how strong or how loud it is, and the formula is speed equals frequency times length times wavelength. So light waves, it's electromagnetic. They're very fast. They move up and down transverse, and they're sensed by the eyes. For sound waves, it's mechanical, needs air or water. It's slower in the air, and then it's back and forth longitudinal, and then it's sensed by the ears. And so how light acts, its reflection bounces off a mirror. Diffraction spreads out and passes like a wedge or a slit. Absorption, it's like some materials can soak it up. I almost said smoke. But interference is waves can mix and add or cancel out each other. The electromagnetic spectrum, so radio waves such as radios, phones, microwaves and satellites, infrared, heat sensors, and remotes. Visible light is what we can see. Ultraviolet sunlight, tanning, and X-rays, like they check our bones. Sorry, I didn't end that video early because I didn't want to like have to go through the trouble of trimming it. But so how we hear them: outer ears catch the sound, eardrum shakes from sound waves. The bones in our ear pass the shaking, and then the inner ear turns into signals, and then the brain hears the sound. Sorry, thank you.